We already taught you how to make avocado oil, avocado mask, avocado leaf tea, and even tips to choose the perfect avocado at the market. Have you watched any of these videos? But today you will see the benefits of this amazing fruit. Once seen as a villain, today avocado is a health hero. Because it is a rich source of fats and calories, the fruit acts as a natural medicine in our bodies. So you think you know all about avocado, but have you ever heard of avocado seed tea? Let's check out its benefits. The seed, also known as the pit, is rich in bioactive phytochemicals and antioxidants and has the medicinal properties of the skin, flesh, and leaves. But it has higher concentrations of essential fatty acids than other parts of the plant and more tannins, which makes the pit bitter. And these are the reasons you shouldn't throw the seed away. It is antioxidant. Since it is rich in antioxidants, the pit protects cells against free radicals. The main benefit is preventing heart disease, lowering cholesterol, and fighting many degenerative diseases. The seed contains significant amounts of flavonoids, a special class of antioxidants that help fight cancer. People suffering from cancer should invest in foods rich in flavonoids, like an avocado pit. Helps with digestion. The digestive system is made of many organs that, once inflamed, change the digestive process. It is common, for example, to have trouble absorbing nutrients and to feel discomfort. Avocado pit lowers this and many other inflammations. Improves the gastrointestinal system. The avocado pit can help with different stomach issues and alleviates diarrhea and inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, preventing gastric ulcers and bacterial and viral diseases. Strengthens the immune system. Another benefit of an avocado pit is increasing our defenses, that is, strengthening the immune system. It helps prevent colds and flu. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that are good for people who suffer from joint issues, like arthritis. Helps with weight loss. Many people suffer from anxiety-induced binge eating. In this case, avocado seeds are great for reducing the craving for foods out of mealtime and consequently help with weight loss. It also keeps blood sugar levels low. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now that you know the benefits, what about making some avocado seed tea? Use a fresh pit and cook it in 34 ounces of water. Cut it beforehand to use all of the active agents. You can also use a dry pit, whole, cut into pieces, or powder, in the same way. Remove the dark skin that covers the pit. We want the seed, not the film. Let it boil at low heat for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, close the pot, and let it sit. Drink 1 cup of the tea while fasting and another one before going to bed. To treat rheumatic issues and arthrosis, grate a dried pit. Leave it drying for 7 days until the skin comes off. And toast it in a frying pan before making the tea. Do not consume the seed raw and avoid excesses since it may cause nausea, vomiting, and gastrointestinal problems. Suspend the use if you feel any adverse reactions after consuming anything with avocado seed. This is a signal that avocado seed isn't good for your body. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.